So what if there was a different way to input text on the iPhone? Well, that's the concept behind WritingPad. WritingPad opens up and looks very similar to the included note-taking application with the iPhone, but if I go ahead and press plus here to make a new note, you'll see a slightly different keyboard. And you might be tempted, just like with the standard Apple keyboard, to start pressing the buttons like the, and hope that it auto-completes, which it didn't in that case. But at any rate, that's not how this is intended to be used. The way this is intended to be used is to draw the words. Now, not in the sense that you might draw on, say, a Palm Pilot, or even, actually draw is not really accurate. You want to connect the words. So if I wanted to spell the, I would connect the T, H, and E like this. Now, I'm doing it quite slowly here because I'm also holding it for the camera and everything, but this does seem to have some advantages over Apple's included input method for longer words. So let's say we want to do a word like satisfaction. And just like that, I've got some satisfaction. Now, if it isn't quite the word you were looking for, you also have these choices here to flip through and pick other words that you may have intended for it. Okay, so we've got our thing there and we can save that as a note. However, the other thing we can do is take that note and then send it as an email by pressing the email button at the bottom. Essentially, it's kind of a means of copy and paste if you think about it. It's taking that text and now placing it inside of the email. Of course, you could just write it in the email, so it's not like you're copying and pasting from, an internet site or an email that already exists, but it does show the capability to take text from one application and insert it into an email. So just like that, that's one use for WritingPad. And WritingPad is free, so give it a shot. See if you think it's quicker, and let us know in the comments whether you think it's quicker to input text using WritingPad rather than Apple's keyboard on the iPhone. For the DigitalLifestyle.tv, I'm Ryan Ritchey.